Hey, it's Tuesday, and it's Tuesday with Terri. And if you've been joining us for our series on tips to make you more engaging from any platform, this is the place to be. And today I want to talk to you about kind of a recent experience I just had in Milan, Italy, where I was one of the presenters with dignitaries and supervisionaries from all over the world presenting with the same common theme, which was collaboration, engagement, working together, solutions in one particular field. Here's what I learned. When there's that many people presenting for several days, how do you keep engaged and attract and maintain the attention of the audience? Everybody had their own message and their own way to look at it. But here was the thing. There were days and hours and days and hours of panels. How do you set yourself apart? How do you distinguish yourself from the other people that are presenting? Not that you're better than, but you're different from. So here are 3 tips to help you out. Whether you're presenting to a leadership team, whether you're the president of a company, maybe you're just working in a committee as a leader, maybe you're addressing something at your church. Whatever it is, presentation skills are more important than ever because people find it difficult to pay attention. So your opening statement has to be engaging and powerful, and it has to be relevant. Keyword, write that down. Relevant to whoever is listening. So if you're not interested in presentation skills, you don't want to hear this. But if you do want to attract a better engagement, connection with people, to raise the awareness of the divine powers, really, of communication, because that's what we do as humans, here's some tips that might help you out. The first one is don't dump. When we have our own thoughts, we think everybody has the same ones and they all agree with us. And guess what? That's the beauty of perspective. What was perfect in United Emirates may not be perfect in Ireland. And I learned that as we heard presenters from all over the world. At the end of the day, what we're looking for is help me visualize how this would inspire me, motivate me, engage me, make me think, and maybe see things differently. Because we can all agree to disagree, but if the best outcomes are to help people motivate themselves to go, what, tell me more. The second part is watch your repetition. We heard a lot of people droning. Their voice modulation didn't change. They kept repeating things that they wanted people to hear. And what happens in our brain is that we start tuning it out because we heard that already. And the third one is inspire me with maybe an update or more information if I want it. Close it with something that ties to the beginning. That's a Lou Heckler special. I learned this from Lou, who's one of the best teachers ever on public speaking training. And that is when you open with something and then close it, you help complete the journey of the people that are listening. Hey, I want you to be one of the best presenters. I want people to want to run up to you in a room and just hear what you have to say. And you do that by practicing a skill of presentation. Now, there's lots of great people out there that can help you, but these are just simple tips to help you every day with Tuesdays with Terri. Tune in again next Tuesday because we'll have another tip for you on how to be your most irresistible self.